met the horses at first?
Maybe I have it in my blood because one of my offspring, he was a soldier in cavalry.
Oh, really? Wow.
And my cousin, she was also riding, and I started to ride at the age of 8. And at first I was riding only during vacation.
Okay, like a whole holiday or something.
And then I was helping in stables to earn the ride.
Yes? Ah, okay.
And then I thought it would be great to be an instructor and to earn money.
Yes.
Doing what you love.
Yeah, yes.
Vidal is also a horse for side saddle.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Side saddle?
Yeah, on our fan page there are pictures from this year. I started on him on international championships in Poland in side saddle.
Really?
And
you do?
And we won the first place in a small round in dressage.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow, you're a genius. Wow.
He's very smart
Yes.
and patient. Perfect horse for every rider, also for experienced rider, for dressage.
That's why you choose him.
Yes. And he's a great teacher, the best teacher.
Wow. So you're doing many things about the horses.
I love it.
Yeah.
Makes me happy.
And for me, the camera is also a part of my work, I mean job. One thing is import and export some goods about horses and some and recently I just start to make some travel plan about the horses in Europe, like maybe 5-day travel in Poland, like that. And everything about horses.
There's also a museum in Warsaw, in the Łazienki Park, of hunting and equitation.
Oh, yes, I have been.
But the exposition, there's only a hunting exposition.
Yes.
Now.
And hunting and some, I don't know the name, some animals.
Yes.
I have,
Stuffed.
Yes, it's a